Okay. Now you can see I just posted the SRC, this all link over here. Control S save. Now you can check back again to the your website. Okay. Now see there is image come, isn't it? So that is called the image. Okay. Now even we can put the our image inside of our your folder also. How we can do? Let me show you again back. Okay. I'm using Control Z. Okay. I don't have any link right now. And you can see if I don't have the link that the alternatively text will be can see, isn't it? When the image will be load, that time the logo text will be not there available. Okay, just only the loaded what the src. Okay, means the image. And if suppose image will be not get a load, that time what happen, the logo text will be present. Okay, now let's go. We are going over here. What we are doing, we are going to the again over here in this website. This is suppose logo we have. Right click and I'm saying to the save as. What I'm doing right now, I'm downloading that logo. Right, where I'm downloading in desktop. Where is my try folder, and inside I want to download. Suppose I'm giving to the logo dot png. PNG is the format for the our image purpose. Okay, now we are saying to the save. You can see I did the save over here. Now let's check back. I'm going to the again back my over here. You can see the image right now inside of my folder, right? So I'm going over here src. I'm using dot slash. When we are using dot slash, your directory will be open. This is the directory of your try. Okay, means your folder will be open. So I'm using dot slash and after that logo dot png, right? Control S save. Right now you can see my logo is coming. Ready? So like that. So this is the way we can add the image. We can directly give to the path also, or else we can put it over here inside of your folder image, and after that we can give to the over here path image one. So we can do the both way, isn't it? So that is exactly. Okay. So this is your image. Okay. After that image, even you can add to the height and width also for that. But this concept we are learning into the CSS. Okay. So that purpose we need to add to the styling. Okay. Now let's go. We are going to the, we have to the two types of list. One is the order list and second is the unordered list. Okay, now simply what happened, if I want to the list, okay, I'm again erasing that image and I'm taking to the list. List means, if suppose you want to buy to the mangoes, apple, banana, right? So we are putting the list, right? So how we can put the list? We have the two types of list. One is the order list. That by purpose we need to use what? OL means what? Order list. Hit enter button. Order list open, order list close. In inside of order list we need to write over here a li means what? List of items. Okay, items I want to put. Suppose first item is mango. Okay, again I want to put another item li. I want to take a apple. Okay, apple is the another one. Okay, after that li, I want to put a banana. Okay, banana. So what happened? I put it over here a list. List item number one, list item number two, list item number three, and this list one, two, three list three. This text I have. I want in a order wise. Okay, order list. You can see one, two, three, right? So only the thing is, if we are using UL means what? This is right now order list in the order one, two, three, four. Okay, but I want to the unordered list means I want only the bullet points, not the one, two, three. So that time what we are putting? We are putting over here UL. Okay, now see, just instant of OL, I want to write what? UL. Okay, let me put it to the down also in the closing bracket UL. Control S save. Now check back again to your website. What is that right now? Bullet point. So first whatever we learn, that is called the order list, and right now whatever we done, this is one what? Unordered list. Okay, after that we have u means what? Underline. Okay, now simply suppose I want to underline my apple. Just I want to go to the over here apple, and I want to put inside or outside. We can put anywhere, it doesn't matter, but I want over here u for underline open, and after that underline close to the apple. After you can see, is it underline my apple? So like that. So this is for the underline purpose we are using. After that, we can use the strike. Strike means what? This is, suppose right now my this is the text, and I'm selecting this one, and I want this one is a strike, right? Means I want to erase that one. Officially, I want to erase that one. That time what we are using to the strike, right? So same we can use to the over here also. Suppose I want to strike on the banana. Okay, so we are going to the over here and we are writing inside of the strike. Okay, strike open, strike close, and I want to strike close after the banana. Okay, after the banana, control S save. Now check back again to your website. You can see it's a strike. On that particular line is strike. So like that. Perfect. Now see it back again over here. Okay, we done the strike also. After that, we have the paragraph tag. You know when we have to write to the lot of paragraphs, isn't it? That time we are using p tag. Okay, simply how we can write the p tag. Okay, suppose this one I done, I'm using a down p tag. P tag is the paragraph tag. Enter that paragraph open, paragraph close. Right now, you know many times you want to add a something boku paragraph. Okay, and you don't know yet your client information. So what you can do, you can just write over here lorem. Okay, when you are using the lorem, you can see large quantity of text is coming. Getting? Control S save. Now check back again over here. See, I can see the whole paragraph. Perfect. So like that, p tag for the paragraph purpose. After that, you know the selection, right? Isn't it? If suppose when you are going to the market or maybe when you're filling the form, right? That time what happened? You need to select a male, female, right? Isn't it? So how we can do that? Simply, first see over here. I need to write, okay, let me erase this all stuff, then you can understand properly. Okay. Now I need to write over here option. Okay, first I want to write over here select. Okay, select for selection purpose. I don't want to write a names, id, and this kind of stuff because you are new right now. You don't worry about that. Okay, selection tag. So when I'm writing to the selection, select only. Now what happened? You can see this drop down menu is coming, but inside the drop down menu you can see I don't have anything, isn't it? So what I'm doing, I'm putting to the inside of the option, isn't it? Now how we can do, we need to go inside and we need to write over here. You can see option open and option close. I don't want to write any values inside of that. Okay, I'm writing over here mail. Okay, first option. After that again option. Okay, I can copy that also. Is just saving our time. Okay, copy. I want to paste female and other. Okay, so male. After that I want to put over here female. Okay, and after that others, right? Just others. Right now maybe guys you understand whatever we need to display, we need to write only the in middle between to the opening and closing, right? So I done that. Control S save. Now let's check back again over here. When I'm using drop down menu, male, female, and other. If you are female, click on female, female will be apply. Okay, if you are the other, you can click on the other will be the apply. Getting? So that is exactly the way we are creating to the options. Getting? Okay, now after that, let's stop over here.